Hi, I'm from Learniv.com, and that day I am going to explain the past perfect tense, which is essential for talking about events that happened before a specific point in the past. Let's look at the explanation on the timeline. We use the past perfect tense to describe actions that had occurred before another event in the past. On the timeline, the beginning of an event was marked by a red X further in the past, and another past event was marked by a yellow X, showing that the first action had already been completed before the second one occurred. Let's take an example. In the sentence "I had finished my homework," past perfect tense is used because I had done my homework before another past event. Let's look at the structure of the past perfect tense. The structure of the past perfect tense is formed by the subject, followed by the auxiliary verb had, and then the main verb in the past participle form. We use the past perfect tense especially in the following examples. The past perfect tense is often used to describe something that occurred before another event in the past. We can also use it for actions that happened before a specific point in time in the past. We use very often adverbs like because or before. Here are two sentences with examples. I did not have a lot of money because I had lost my job. I had never seen anything like that before I came to New York. We use the past perfect tense to describe that some event had lasted in the past before some other event and action happened. We use it when something started in the past, had duration, and continued until another action occurred. Here is an example. Before I broke my car, I had had it for 10 years. We do not use the past perfect tense when we are not trying to convey a sequence of events. If you are just telling someone some information from the past with no sequences, do not use the past perfect. Use it only if the events you are talking about are following some other events. But if you are asked to answer a question like the following, you will use the past perfect tense. What did you do after you found out she was cheating on you? You will answer with, I had broken up with her. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to your visit to Learniv.com.